On a blustery December morning in 1903, two brothers from Ohio dared to defy gravity. Wilbur and Orville Wright, bicycle mechanics by trade, had spent years obsessed with the idea of human flight. At Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, they unveiled their creation, a flimsy biplane dubbed the Flyer. With Orville at the controls, the Flyer lifted off the ground. For a fleeting 12 seconds, it soared through the air, covering a distance of 120 feet. The Wright brothers had achieved what many had dismissed as impossible. Their invention, once a curiosity, would soon change the world. The news of their accomplishment spread slowly at first. Skepticism gave way to astonishment as more witnesses came forward. The Wright brothers' success ignited a global fascination with aviation. Inventors and engineers around the world set about refining the Wright Flyer's design. This period of rapid experimentation laid the foundation for the future of aviation. The early years of aviation were marked by daring feats and rapid technological advancements. Pilots, many of them former barnstormers and stuntmen, pushed the limits of these new flying machines. They set records for speed, altitude, and distance, captivating the public's imagination. The outbreak of World War I in 1914 transformed aviation into a powerful military tool. Aircraft were quickly adapted for reconnaissance, bombing, and aerial combat. The war spurred unprecedented investment in aircraft design and production, accelerating technological progress. As the war ended, a surplus of military aircraft became available. Entrepreneurs saw an opportunity to adapt these planes for civilian use. The first commercial airlines began to emerge, offering passenger and mail services. In 1919, the world witnessed a historic milestone, the first scheduled international passenger flight. A converted Vickers Vimy bomber, operated by British Airways, took off from London, bound for Paris. This flight marked the beginning of a new era in global travel. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 once again propelled aviation technology forward at an unprecedented pace. The war saw the development of faster, more powerful, and more heavily armed aircraft. Fighter planes like the British Spitfire and the American P-51 Mustang became symbols of aerial superiority. Bombers, too, underwent significant advancements. The American B-17 Flying Fortress and the British Avro Lancaster were capable of carrying massive payloads over long distances. The use of strategic bombing campaigns had a profound impact on the course of the war. Technological advancements weren't limited to combat aircraft. The war also saw the development of radar, jet engines, and helicopters. These technologies, initially developed for military purposes, would later revolutionize both aviation and civilian life. The global conflict served as a crucible for innovation in the skies. The war effort led to the construction of thousands of airfields and the training of millions of pilots and ground crew. Section 4. Breaking the Sound Barrier, the Jet Age and Supersonic Flight. With the conclusion of World War II, a new era of peacetime innovation dawned. The jet engine, a technology pioneered during the war, revolutionized air travel. Jet-powered aircraft such as the de Havilland Comet and the Boeing 707 were faster, more efficient, and could fly at higher altitudes. The advent of jet travel shrank the world, making long-distance travel faster and more accessible. The golden age of air travel had begun. Airlines flourished, offering increasingly affordable flights to destinations across the globe. The quest for ever greater speed led to another groundbreaking achievement: supersonic flight. In 1947, the American test pilot Chuck Yeager shattered the sound barrier aboard the experimental Bell X-1 aircraft. This feat ushered in the era of supersonic travel. Breaking the sound barrier was a symbolic triumph over technological limitations. Section 5. Connecting the world. The impact of aviation on global connectivity. The advancements in aviation technology have had a profound impact on global connectivity. Air travel has made the world a smaller place, connecting people, cultures, and economies like never before. What was once a journey of weeks or months by sea can now be accomplished in a matter of hours. The rise of global aviation has facilitated international trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. Businesses can now easily connect with partners and customers on opposite sides of the world. Tourists can explore distant lands and experience different cultures. Students can study abroad, broadening their horizons and fostering global understanding. The interconnectedness fostered by aviation has had a profound impact on our world. The ease of travel has also made it possible for families and friends to stay connected, even when separated by vast distances. However, the advancements in aviation have also presented challenges, particularly its contribution to greenhouse gas emissions. Section 6. Reaching for the Stars. The future of aviation. Looking to the future, the potential for aviation remains boundless. Engineers and innovators are exploring new frontiers in aerospace technology, from electric and hypersonic aircraft to the development of advanced air mobility systems. These innovations hold the promise of making air travel even faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. The dream of commercial space travel, once the realm of science fiction, is steadily becoming a reality. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are making significant strides in space tourism. As we continue to push the boundaries of aviation and space exploration, we carry with us the legacy of the Wright Brothers. Their unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity continues to inspire generations of dreamers and innovators. The story of aviation is a testament to the human spirit of exploration, innovation, and our relentless pursuit of progress. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the journey is far from over.